kitchens and I'm just finishing up on these steaks. Beautiful sirloin steaks here. I'm just removing some of the silver skin and trimming it down into once you've cut them, you can flatten them with your hand or use a mallet. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be a little bit tougher than these other 6 here. Just a slightly different piece. It all came from one pack, but what a great deal. Yeah. Okay, follow along. I'll be back with some more. Stay tuned for more videos. Chef back here. Okay, so what do we got here? We got the beautiful sirloin steaks, and half of these have been marinated. Now you're wondering what's in the marinade. Well, it's real simple. You just go to the website right there and find the marinade sections. That's a link. After you click recipes, click on marinades. You're going to learn how to do this. It's great. Put this in the refrigerator for a couple days. Way more tender, more flavorful beef. You're ready to grill it, saute it, chop it up, make stew, kebabs, whatever. Marinated beef. Have a great day. This is a 5.5, 6.5 inch Santoku knife. Very cool, very nice. Snaps in place. This magnetic block's very strong, very good design. You can pull it off, easily see which one you want, put it in a different spot. You can move them around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 knives, and a big one in the back. However, I'm saving the back spot for this awesome fish slicer. Look at this thing. Wow. This has got a 10-inch blade. Wicked cool. Perfectly balanced. I like it. Look at this blade. Yeah. It's a total of 57 layers, I believe. This one will go right back here. Very cool. You can build a huge set of these, and this magnetic block works great. Semicircle's nice too. Against the wall, in the middle of a kitchen, wherever you want to put it. It's nice. It's a very nice setup and good design. Okay, when I oil a cutting board, I like to shake up the oil. It has some beeswax in there, and just give it a squeeze like this, circular motion, and I use a plastic bag squished up. This is the best way that I've found to oil the cutting board.